Welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, and this is Sitecore Interview Question video series. Today's question is: what are the differences between traditional CMS and headless CMS? Difference between traditional and headless CMS. Okay, so let's define first of all what is traditional CMS. In traditional content management system, that is CMS, the backend which will have a content management database and server side logic, and front end that is contains a presentation layer are tightly coupled. Okay, we have seen the last diagram that both the presentation layer, that is the front end, and the back end are tightly coupled. The CMS handles everything from content creation, storage to rendering the website pages. That is very important, that it is also handle the rendering the website pages in the traditional CMS. Then if you talk about the headless CMS on other hand decouples the backend from the front end. We have seen the example that it separates out your head from the body. The CMS handles content management and storage but does not dictate how the content is presented. So in the traditional CMS, it also has a responsibility to render the website pages, but in case of headless CMS, that is not a part of your CMS. Instead, it provides a content via APIs, allowing any web content, it can be a web, mobile or IoT, to consume it. Okay, so it provides the content via the APIs in the format which can be consumed by website, web application, mobile application or IoT application. Now let's see different points in the traditional CMS. We already seen traditional CMS is a tightly coupled architecture. It is front end and back ends are interconnected with specific template system. So in the Sitecore MVC, if you are building a website, you build the page template as well as a data template, and those are tightly bind, right? So page templates are required from the Sitecore to render the complete page, right? Then you have a single technology stack. So in the Sitecore CMS, you must have seen that both the front end and the back end, Sitecore CMS MVC CMS, you must have seen the front end and back end use the same stack, that is the .NET. Easy of setup. It's very easy to set up. It's a normal .NET website in the Sitecore, so you can set up the Sitecore MVC. For traditional CMS, it is very easy to set up, especially for the non-developers. Limited flexibility. Now this point can be a debatable. Okay, yeah, can be you can say it's a flexible one. It can be debatable. Customization option can be limited, especially for the advanced feature of or integration. Performance limitation. Performance can be an issue as the system grows, with all layers potentially being affected by the increased load. So in the traditional CMS, performance can be an issue. Let's see what does headless CMS offer. Decouple architecture. We already discussed this. It is a front end and back ends are independent. Flexibility in technology. This is very important here. So you can have a different front ends. Front end can be developed using a different technology. So your front end can be developed in .NET Core, you can be developed in Next.js, it can be developed in the React, Vue, Angular, whatever. So there is no constraint on the front end technology. And also in future, if you want to change that, it's just your front end will change, not the back end. Greater customization. As I said in that it can be a debatable thing, but yes, headless CMS from the front end point of view, it is more customizable than the traditional CMS. Scalability. Front end and back end can be scaled independently. Both are different applications, front end and back end. So you can perform the scalability for both the things separately. Content delivery, and this is also very important part. The content can be delivered to the multiple platforms from the single backend, and there is one more thing which you can utilize in the headless CMS, that your content itself can be a CDN. Okay, like you use the experience agent Sitecore, so it can be a CDN also, that will fasten your website performance. So these are the differences between traditional CMS and the headless CMS. If you want to know more details of this topic, then please check out video link displayed on the screen. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell for latest updates. Thank you for watching.